Welcome back to EDS. In this video, we are going to look at how you can sell premium, how you can write your own options contracts, and how you can generate a consistent return year on year. So the first thing you want to do is pull up a watch list. This just needs to be a list of securities that you can compare side by side, essentially. So this is just a basic watch list. What I like to do is have a look at where we are in the monthly cycles. So we want to be selling contracts that have about 45 days left on them to expiration. So we have a choice. We can go to the 25 days to expiration, or we can go to the 53 days. We don't really want to be going on the weeklies because there's less liquidity on the weeklies. We want to stick to the monthly expirations. So 25 days is a bit short for me, so we're going to go for the 53 days. So then we come back onto our watch list and then we filter all securities that have earnings within that 53-day period. So let's just say if we go to 55 days, that's fine. So now everything that's on this watch list now does not have earnings within the next 53 days, which is perfect for us. So now we want to filter by the highest IV rank. So at the top here, we've got this Weyerhaeuser Co. We're not going to actually trade Weyerhaeuser. There just isn't enough liquidity. Yeah, we're not going to trade. We're not going to trade this. The next up, we've got News Corp. We're not going to trade this either, although it does have a healthy IV rank. Let's have a look at what we've got next. We've got Southwest Airlines. We could see if we can put a position on the Southwest Airlines. It has an IV rank of 64.6. If we have a look at the chart, as you can see here, it's kind of had a steady IV rank ish. There's not too many big fluctuations there, although it is on the higher end right now, and we can see that price has had a sharp move to the upside in recent times. So if we have a look at the trade tab and go into the October 18th expiration, which is 53 days out, we can have a look here at the spread. So we can see at the money we've got it's a couple cents wide. The spread is it's a penny wide on the put side here for the 27.5 strike. So the spreads aren't too bad. We don't have too many strikes to choose from. So if we just have a look at the delta here, we've got a 9 delta, and then it jumps up to 21, and then on the call side we have a 17 delta, then it jumps up to 34. So if we were to put a position on this, I'd be tempted to look at the 32.5 strike and the 25 strike. This is going to give us a probability of profit of about 66%. It's going to tie up $280 in buying power. However, we are going to collect $86, $87 up front. So all in all, it's a pretty healthy trade. This orange bar here shows the expected move of the underlying over the 53-day period, and this green bar here shows your break even. So as we can see here, the green bar is covering the orange bar, which is good for us. We're going to get a daily theta decay of about $2. And if we take profits early at about 50%, we've actually got a 92% chance of success. So this is a very high probability trade. We're not actually going to put this trade on specifically because we are kind of at the limit for open positions in this portfolio. However, this would be a nice addition, especially if you have a smaller account. As we can see, it only takes up $281 of buying power. you simply just need to do this over and over and over again. Make sure the spreads are tight. Make sure you're selling in periods of high implied volatility. Make sure, and you can do that by looking at the IV rank. You want to make sure you're collecting a nice premium. And the only final thing that you need to make sure is you need to make sure that your position size is in line with this position sizing template. Now, everybody can get their hands on this position sizing template. Drop us a message in our Discord group. The way it works is you simply enter in your portfolio size, and then you can enter in your what the current VIX level is. So let's say if it's 14.36, everything will be automatically calculated for you, and then you will know exactly how you need to structure your portfolio. So like I say, you can find this template in the Premium Access Discord group. So what do you get in the group? You get a full course that will take you from novice to expert. Whilst you are going through the course, you can copy our positions for all of our accounts, whether that be a smaller account or a larger account. So that allows you to learn and earn at the same time. Of course, it is a community, so you can speak with myself and other like-minded individuals, and all we do all day is sell premium. And there is a 100% money back guarantee. So if you study the full course and follow our trades for 6 months and you haven't made any money, then we will work for you for free until you do, or you can request a full refund. So it's completely risk free. And right now we've just launched, so our price per month is £1. Now, for every 5 members that join, the price is going to increase. However, whatever price you get in at is the price you're locked in at. So if you get in at £1 and then the price increases, your price will always stay at £1 unless if you cancel and then rejoin back in the future. So with that being said, I'll see you in the Discord.